Hello everybody, we're back with some more Ratchet and Clank. After my little break, I had to, chips, plums, all the good stuff. I got my little water bottle right here. No, stomach's full. I think I'm good. Well, not really full, I'm still kind of hungry. Dinner's just gonna be ready in about an hour or so. Anyway, let's move on with the game. Oh gosh, of course we get introduced to more of these guys. What am I doing? You know what? Make you all dance. Hey, chorus line. Sweet. Anyway, I'm back. Sorry about that. Wow, this thing demolishes them. So anyway, after that, wonderful little intro right there, it's a Star Trooper. I like my damage. And I'm missing 50, okay. So I know the Shock Ravager actually does some damage here, my god. Yeah, level up! Alright.
Congratulations! You have upgraded to the Lightning Ravager. Your weapon has been modified to disperse a small but powerful shockwave with each attack.
Oh, that's wonderful, because now we can't use it anymore. That's great. Wait, I got an idea.
Snapper doesn't want to listen. He just won't heed our warning. Heed, young whippersnapper. Heed.
This is the part I'm thinking of. Well, that didn't last too long. Die. Okay. What? We're good. We're good. You can need more, right? No? Okay.
Ratchet, perhaps we should reason with them.
Sure. They promised to give me the Lombax secret. I promise not to blow them up.
Good job, Ratchet. That's always how you negotiate things. You give me what I want, and I'll leave you alone. Oh gosh. I was wondering what that was. Screw it. Using it. Wow, it's explosive. Anyway, let's go back to what I was trying to see over here. This is supposed to be like an underwater utopia or something. Let's see what over here. That looks like a predator head. I don't know why. Or no, an alien head. I don't know. Moving on. Easy lasers.
Laser grids. I know. They never learn.
We need those turrets back online. 10-4. Rerouting primary capacitors.
Lol. Oh gosh. Don't have to be. Launching him. Oh my god. Yay, level 2. No, level 3. Wait, when did level 1 happen? I forgot when level 1. I mean, not level 1, level 2. We're good? Okay, we're good. Okay. Hi, weapons guy.
Welcome to the GremlNet weapon shop.
Yeah. Like damage.
Bada bing.
No. Yeah, we can't do anything. Okay. Okay.
We've got the little rascal right where we want him.
Are you so sure about that?
Chief Admiral Kronk, at my signal, unleash heck.
Unleash heck, because we can't cuss. Oh, that's wonderful. Point blank bombs! Oh, I can't touch you. Jeez, it takes too many bombs to kill these things. And I've upgraded the bombs to the max. Well, it looks like the fully upgraded bombs don't do all that much. One thing I always like doing these wars, if you're low on health, go back to the weapons guy shop, refill your ammo, and refill up your health. The crack of time, you can't spam that, so, well, then again, you know, in the crack of time, the enemies can do that much damage. Yeah, level 3. Wow, I'm like, you know, orgasm. Come on, yo, mighty turrets. I got what you need. I will say the bombs can get really devastating later on. Anything? No? Just more random robots? Do I have enough? Let's go back to these. Yeah, I know it. Don't worry. We're good. Okay, we're good.
We've lost our primary fuel generator. We're sitting ducks.
Oh, really? I can go right back over here.
Alright, Chief.
Alright. Now let's go see who these guys are. Cutscene.
There's no way we're getting through this without at least 2 crates of pyrocytic nitro cells.
Wasn't that door, you know, open?
Your geolaser comes equipped with a directional indicator to locate weak walls. Simply follow the signal to locate areas where this handy device will work.
Handy device? Oh, this is the part where you need to go back to
You
Mukau.
can use your new geolaser to cut through natural surfaces. Use the left analog stick to guide the laser along the weak spots before the surface cools.
Yeah, I'm terrible at connecting the dots, but whatever. Heyo!
Who did you say gave you this thing?
The Sony. They are little invisible creatures who travel through time.
Oh, right.
There's the scoundrel. Pulverize him. Oh, my thruster coils.
Thanks, guys. I can handle it from here. Well, congratulations. You win an all-expense-paid trip out the airlock. Hope you don't mind letting yourself out. I hate that popping sound of bodies decompressing in space.
Yeah, put that Lombax in his place.
What? He is a Lombax! Kronk, Zephyr, lower your weapons.
And so, our heroes explain the mysterious circumstances which brought them to Talwyn Apogee's secluded space station. Their quest for the elusive Lombax secret. A cipher wrapped in an enigma, smothered in super secret sauce.
That's enough, Zephyr.
Oh, sorry.
So you're a Lombax who's never seen another Lombax, doesn't know where they are or what their secret is. That's so...
Ironic?
I take it he's the smart one.
Miss Apogee, is there any reason why Tachyon would think you have a Lombax weapon?
Well, this is my father's base. Max Apogee
Max Apogee was a famous...
is a famous
explorer and collector of rare interstellar antiquities, most notable of which was a Lombax artifact.
Where is the artifact now?
Pirates raided the station years ago. This is the only thing they took. My father went after them, but never came back.
I recall that smuggler mentioning pirates on our door list.
Ardolis. Kronk, Zephyr, get the ship ready. Lock up on your way out, okay?
And we suddenly trust you. You know, after 5 seconds of eating you.
I'm sending you the coordinates to Ardolis. Sorry if I seemed rude back at the station. I haven't gotten out much since my father vanished.
TV!
I'll see you soon.
I wanna watch TV. All TV's broken. That's disturbing. So, a girl and 2 old male robots all sleep in the same bed. Yeah, fanfiction writers go wild. Anyway, let's ignore that creepy fantasy and go back to the asteroid field.
Coordinates acquired for planet Ardolis.
Thank you.
Welcome to the
Anything I can upgrade?
shop.
Kind of can't get anything. Okay. Yeah, I'm not coming back here for a while. You suck, shop. Moving on. Alright. Here's my question. Why didn't they ever bother checking Planet Earth in the first place? I don't know. Wouldn't have seemed, you know... I don't know. Well, then it's not that far away. Actually, none of these planets are that far away. Anyway, let's just go over Planet Earth with 3 gold bolts, which I highly doubt I'll get any of them. I don't know. Call it a strange, intuitional hunch of mine. Booyah! Booyah! Pirate Base Planet Ardolis. This is probably the easiest place for you to grind on experience. And you'll see why. Trust me, in later playthroughs I had to grind here in order to get to level, you know, 10 of each weapon. And it was painfully agonizing. Let's see, how should we start off here? I kinda want these to level up a bit more. Oh, that was, oh, you're still alive. Oh, die. Taste my sentient goo! And I level up on you! How does it make you feel, pirate buddy? I'm not your buddy, pal. I'm not your pal, amigo. Let's go off the side path here.
A helipod can raise the grind rail. Equip the helipod gadget using the quick select. And then fire it at the target.
Just like that. More grind rails! Yep. If I missed that. Does this remind anyone of Pirates of the Caribbean? Like at all? Well, I think maybe that's just because Pirates of the Caribbean brought the whole pyro motif, but so. I'm serious, when you think of pirates, tell me the first thing you think of isn't, you know, Pirates of the Caribbean. No, seriously, I want to see if people post that in the comments. Like, okay, tell me what, when you think of pirates, what's the first thing you think of? When I think of Pirates of the Caribbean. When you think of Pirates, I don't know what you think of. By the way, I need a little hidden or training chest up here. Yahoo! Ooh, more pirates. Well, you know, let's see pirates dance the jig.
Real keen on the technology.
Yes, I'm doing that every single time I use the Groove Ball. Wow, that was a one-shot. Okay. Just so you guys can hear the music for yourselves. Oh, damn it, that's not what I... That's not what I wanted to do, but okay. Whatever. Whatever. What's this? Random Petranium, and we got our Groovitron ball back that I stupidly wasted. Alright. And we got ourselves a little dinghy. Go, my little ship, even though... Hey, is that in the shape of a heart? Huh. Oh, looks like it's in the shape of a heart. You might want to dock off now. Yahoo! Yahee! Yaha! Oh yeah. More rare tritium! Yay! I like rare tritium. Hey, there's the boat. Who needs a stinking boat? Die. Die. You're gonna be hearing that little bird screech all along this level. By the way, yes, you see that little statue thing out there, and I believe over yonder. I have managed to glitch it up for you so you can actually reach over there and you can actually shortly ride these flying animal thingies. And it's a pretty fun ride until you know you clip through them, you know, land onto the water and you die. But you know, inconsequential. That stuff doesn't really matter, right, guys? I believe for a gold bowl you want to stay up here. Now this is not the path you're supposed to go on. This is just a little side path. But I just want to show things off. Come on. There we go. That would suck if I fell. Alright, this little pirate ship thing you see right here, prepare this to be the entire motif for the rest of the level, because that's all you'll see. I also glitched my way up in there. I feel like shotgunning you guys. Bow. Just like the, You can't tell me that's not Pirates of the Caribbean right there, okay? I mean, seriously, that has to be Pirates of the Caribbean. You can't tell me that's not. Ugh. Oh, well, physics actually, take place. Yeah, well, Oh my god. No! Ratchet, you're useless. Okay. Well, yeah, let's go listen to more songs. I didn't know physics actually took place. Wait. Did we stand in the middle? Does that thing actually tilt? Yeah, slightly.